In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI cartoon UGC ad, and this is the result of this tutorial.
Did you know you can create animated ads using AI? With the right tools, any brand can have a professional animated ad in minutes. I'll show you exactly how in my tutorial. Link in my profile.
So, to create this video, first we need to go to NovoAds AI, and here you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here, and here, as you can see, I was preparing this tutorial. So now we have to go to the image section. Here we have to paste or to write a prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section. And now we have to go to settings. Here I prefer the model GPT-Image 2, and in quality I prefer using the medium quality because it's very similar to the high quality, with the difference that is much cheaper. So now we have to click here where it says reference and upload an image of our product. So let's upload it. And finally, we have to click here. Now we have to wait 1 minute. Perfect. Here we have the images, and now we have to choose the one we like the most. So I'm going to download this one. Now we have to go to the video section. Now here I'm going to paste the following prompt that is going to be in the comment section. Now we have to go to settings. Here I'm going to use Clink 3.0 because I prefer it when the video is in English. And now in duration, I'm going to choose 15 seconds. This because the dialogue that I created is designed for this duration. So now I'm going to click here and upload this image. So now we have to click here and finally in generate. Perfect. Now we have to wait more or less 5 minutes.
Did you know you can create animated ads using AI? With the right tools, any brand can have a professional animated ad in minutes. I'll show you exactly how in my tutorial. Link in my profile.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally I like it a lot. The video looks really similar to a Pixar animation, so I really like it. So well, if you want to do a video like this one, the prompts are going to be in the comment section. And remember that you can try NovoAds AI for just $1. This is an offer that any other platform offers, so I recommend you to try it. So well, after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section and see you in the next video.